I'm Jordan, co-founder of Intelligo, and this is how you view speaker information on the Intelligo platform. From the home page, just go to Speakers in the left-hand side. In here, you will see an index of all the speakers that are presenting at an event. You'll see for this demo event, there's only one speaker and it's me. But what I can do here is I can search for different terms and it will bring up different speakers depending on what I've searched. I can also filter by all speakers or just those that are online at the moment. And I can change the number of results that are displayed on my page. Once I've found my speaker, I can see some basic information for them right here. If I want to find out a bit more, I just click Go to Profile. In the profile area, I can see a basic bio, I can see a profile image, and I can also see any social links that they've chosen to share. What you can also see here is the sessions that those speakers have been linked to. You'll see that I've been linked to speak at 3 sessions. If I want to go back, I simply go back to the speakers area and search for somebody else. That's the speakers area on the Intelligo platform.